Hey, this is Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston off Daniel Island, and today I'm going to take you through a new boat we have from Scout. It's their 177 Sport. Crystal blue hull color, looks great on the water with the white undertone. White rub rail with stainless steel insert is standard. This is the trailer that is paired for this specific hull. You've got a great fit for Magic Tilt. Winco trim tabs are an option. This boat has the upgraded 90 horsepower Yamaha from four-stroke from Yamaha, Reboarding ladder to the port side. Large casting deck on the back. You can remove this cushion to get it out of the way as well. You've also got in-the-floor storage on both sides. And great storage under the helm as well. Dedicated space for some tackle storage, an igloo cooler, easy access to the boat's bilge area. Got nice high backrest for two passengers. Steering wheel is on a tilt base with a steering knob. Digital tack from Yamaha, aircraft style toggle switches. The switches for your remotes here, battery switching immediate location. Batteries are easy to get to, along with the little storage bag you have behind the console door. Small windscreen, standard on this boat. Beneath the forward seat, you've got your standard live well that's aerated. Rod holders on either side. Big passing platform forward as well. You can also do a bow cushion up here. Trolling motor is standard from the plant. That's already in place here. And then you've got nice deep storage beneath the bow. Great for storing a cover. There's a 5-gallon bucket that stows here as well. All the things you need for a day out on the water, whether you're heading to the sandbar or attacking the fish. Again, this is Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston. We're just off Daniel Island. If you have any questions or interest in this 177 Sport from Scout or any of our other boats, give us a call at 843-747-1889. Always check us out online at marinemax.com. Thanks for watching.